Welcome to the future of quality assurance. In a world where every brand claims quality, how can businesses truly stand out and prove their commitment to excellence? Imagine a future where every quality certificate isn't just a document, but a unique, immutable NFT on the blockchain. At Progneo, we envision a solution where each product, upon meeting stringent quality standards, is accompanied by an NFT. This isn't just a certificate, it's a transparent, tamper-proof testament to the product's excellence. Customers, with a simple scan, can verify the authenticity of the product they're purchasing. They can trace its quality journey and be assured of its superiority. For businesses, this could mean unparalleled trust, reduced counterfeiting, and a brand reputation that's rock solid. In sectors where quality is paramount, like pharmaceuticals or automotive parts, an NFT-backed quality assurance system can revolutionize trust. According to Deloitte, blockchain technology can reduce counterfeiting by up to 50%. At Progneo, we're excited about the potential of blockchain to redefine quality assurance. And we're ready to partner with forward-thinking businesses to turn this vision into reality.